This video tutorial will show you how to perform an advanced search. On the library's home page, you will see a button marked Assistance and Research. Open this link and scroll down to the library's OneSearch box. Click the hyperlink under the search box. On the OneSearch webpage, you will see a link next to the search bar that reads Advanced Search. Click it. Using the advanced search gives you more options for narrowing your search to author, contributor, title, subject, ISSN, or ISBN. Take a look. You can also limit the publication date by how many years ago the material was published. You can also limit by type of material: articles, books, journals, images, sound recordings, and more. So let's try searching for the author Rolling J.K. with a specified date range of January 1st, 2000 to January 1st, 2020, with the material type books. And here are our search results. As you can see, by using the advanced search function, we have narrowed our results to just 9 items. This completes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact the librarians at Woodland Community College.